Hi friends, it's me Claire, and I'm going to demonstrate how to prepare a surface using gesso. Specifically, I'm going to show you the technique I use to apply gesso to a canvas in anticipation of making an oil painting. But there are many different approaches, and I'm going to encourage you to experiment and try out different things to see what works best for you. So you might be painting with oils, acrylic, doing mixed media, or a drawing. You might want to work on canvas like I do, or panel, paper, maybe something else. The reason I'm going to share specifically what I do is to help make your experimentation a little bit easier and give you a good starting point. This art preparation tutorial is part of the curriculum at the Unaccredited College of Klaire, a totally real art school, and not my weird Patreon account because I love teaching about art and I don't think you should have to go into debt to learn from me. Visit patreon.com/Klaire Lockheart to see other lessons I have prepared for you.